guys, Mario here with Florida Flexible. I want to talk to you today a little bit about DTF. And DTF is basically a process. Short DTF stands for direct to film. It is a very durable, very economical transfer that can go on any woven materials. It could be canvas bags, it could be t-shirts, it could be hats, it could be anything that you can heat press, basically, okay? And the quality of your DTF has a lot to do with the kind of printer that you're going to be using, and obviously every printer has a specific print head. We're going to talk a little bit about the different models that we have available, and we're also going to discuss the software that these machines come with, and also the size of the shaper, so that you guys can plan and budget yourselves into a particular size. The first thing that I want to show you guys is the model over here to my left, which is the 24-inch. This one is an ESS 2402. That means it prints 24 inches, and it has two heads. One head is going to be for your white, and your other head is going to be for your CNY tape color. Okay? The head on this machine is an Epson 3200. It prints very fast. You can output a job of 1 yard, which is approximately a meter by 24 inches, in about 8 minutes. There are different speeds that you can select on the printer to do. You just want to make sure that you have a heater and a shaker that can actually keep up with how fast the machine is actually printing. So I want to take you over here real quick to show you a little bit of the layout of the machine. Obviously, this is the printer here. Right? The roll comes from the back, and it prints obviously your color first, and then your whiting. It has a bulk system with the back end over here, and once the machine begins to print, the film is fed through a powder process, a heater, and then a roller at the bottom. Okay? This mechanism right here is basically a extractor. You guys are going to have a lot of moisture because of the heater being in here, and anything that actually, the vapors that come off the actual powder, which you're going to need to ventilate. And that's the reason why we basically have this, which comes included in this entire system. This is probably our most compact heater and shaker. It can handle everything that this two-head machine can do for us. What I'd like to show you guys in a little bit here is going to be the software that we basically run with this machine. The software is just one part of the process. The second one is your rig program, and this is the one that's going to basically allow us to do all kinds of things once we open a file. It's going to analyze the color. It's going to implement a white underbase. We can control how much white we want to deposit, whether we want to put white in some areas but not in others. I mentioned before about the saturation of the color. It will also allow us to increase the vividness and the contrast. One of the other things that are important is to have is the Flexi program, which allows you to be able to have multiple settings and presets. One of the things that you can do here is run different presets as far as the resolution goes. Right now, right here, we're running something that is 720 by 1080. That's a really good high resolution image. If you wanted to print a little faster, you can maybe run 720 by 720. That's another option that you have. And what I'd like to do is show you guys over here our other system, which is the SDS system. This SDS system is a little bigger. You can actually handle 48 inches. This right now we have it equipped with 24. So the system is about is all about the technology. This is SDS 8s. They're based out of West Palm Beach here. The machine is manufactured in Japan, so it has incredible technology built into this machine. It prints extremely fast. Like this other one, it has two heads, a white and the CNY tape colors. Once the stuff is printed, it will go through the same process. This unit right here can run automatically, probably a little bit faster because of the length of the unit. Most of the customers that purchase this unit is more for commercial printing. They also use it for printing their own transfers, but it's ideal for that kind of customer that wants control, our presets in here. We could do the same thing. We can select how much white we place on there, what's the saturation, whether we want white in some areas and not in others, and it allows us to save that as well. And because it's flexi, it lets us save those presets in here. So let's say you have a job that you want to do on a white shirt, but you don't want to put a white behind that. Well, you can create a profile just specifically for that. And that's one of the best things about the SDS system that allows all that, and it's built in. We offer the training when you guys purchase the system, and we also include the installation. So reach out to us with any questions, and we hope that you like this video and find it informative. So guys, all I want to say at the end of this is just remind you that if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to us. Do it through our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.